Hello everyone, my name is Nancy. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a delicious pozole step by step. I used about 5 pounds of small bone-in chicken breast. After splitting the chicken breast, I only had to cut the single breast in half. De-seed and de-vein 6 to 7 chile California. You can also use chile guajillo. To soften the dried chile, transfer it to a small pot of water. Bring it to a boil. I've peeled a whole head of garlic to blend with the chile California and about a cup of water. I add salt. You can add your dry oregano in this step or towards the end. An optional ingredient you can add in this step is a few peppercorns. Then you blend until smooth. Washed 1 pound of cubed pork. Pork takes longer to cook, so you want to add this to your pot of simmering water before the chicken. I used about 5 quarts of water in an 8-quart simmer pot. Add 1 peeled whole white onion and half of a head of garlic. Finally, add your blended red chili sauce. 1 bay leaf is optional in this step. Keep on medium-low heat with the lid on for about an hour and a half or for 2 hours. After about 2 hours, you'll notice the change in color. You want to add the chicken to your pot at this point. Add about 1 tablespoon of dry oregano if you did not already add it to the blender a few steps back. At some point you want to taste for salt, add more salt as needed. I use Juanita's Mexican style hominy, the large 110 ounce can. You want to strain out the water in a strainer, then rinse the hominy very well. Add the hominy shortly after you've added the chicken to the pot. Mix in the hominy, put the lid on, and let the pozole simmer for an hour or so. Finally, chop your cabbage, radishes, and onion and slice some lime. Enjoy on top of a warm bowl of pozole. I hope you will be making and enjoying this delicious authentic Mexican dish in your home. Thank you for watching.